How to add friends in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of Roblox application on your device. So as you can see, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the Roblox application on the device. Now we're going to go back and then load the Roblox application on our device. Also make sure that you're logged into your account in the Roblox application. Make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well in order to load the Roblox application on your device. So as you can see, this is the home page of Roblox application after logging in, and here you can see the option of add friends on the very first option under friends. Now as you tap on add friends, you just have to make sure that you connect with friends and you give access to your contacts to connect with friends on Roblox. So tap on get started and you give that access to the Roblox application to access your contacts. Then it will start giving your access to the people that you have as a contact on your list. Then here you can see all your friends or your contacts. You just have to tap on invite option beside that's given behind the name. Then as a tap on invite, you'll be sending the invitation link, and if they accept it, then you can be adding them as your friends on Roblox. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.